Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be doing my mom's manicure. And if you want to continue and watch how I do Russian manicure at home, let's dive in right away. And I'm gonna remove it to make it very clean and also not to damage the nail. I'm doing it absolutely mechanical without any machines, or I'm just using the file. I'm just filing all the nails, a very thin layer, and then applying acetone and just covering with foil, keeping it for half an hour, 40 minutes. And also it's better to cover them to keep them warm at the time for 30-40 minutes before you start removing it. And once it's done, it's very easy to remove. And then once you're filing, like just file it a thin layer, and then it's very easy to get rid of the gel and without damaging your nail itself. I never stop doing gel. I always do gel, and I never take breaks because my nails are fine and my mom's nails are amazing. They're quite thick as well, like they're not damaged at all. So once we're done with this, then we're keeping nails in the water for like a couple of minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then pushing cuticles a little bit away and cutting the dry skin and cuticles, cutting it again mechanically. I'm not using any machines, just the clip. And for me, it's very easy. I'm doing this for a long time for me and my mom. I don't do it for other people or my clients, whoever asks me to do it. It is not very easy job, so I don't do it for clients. But for us, for me and my mom, I do it all the time. So it's kind of automated, so it's not that hard. If you do this all the time, I'm definitely recommending you to try. It's not hard at all. And the machine I bought here in Chinese Center, so I'm sure you can find it online. It's UV LED lamp. If you're scared of the LED lamps, you can wear gloves if you like. I'm not scared. And first thing first, I'm gonna start with a base layer. I'm applying it all over the nails and then putting in the machine for a minute. And I'm doing this for each nail so that it doesn't go beyond the nail, because it is very liquidy and you better do it nail by nail. It's very hard if you do it on yourself because it's gonna take a long time. But if you do it for someone, then you can do one hand and then another hand. Then second layer is a thickening layer. It's 5-in-1, so it's much thicker than the first layer. It's not like a normal gel. It is much thicker, but then your nails is gonna last way more and it's gonna make it thick and strong, so you don't have to worry about that. And that is our beautiful girl Sola. She's always there when we're doing manicure. She likes to watch and lay under the light. So she's joining us for the manicure. I hope you don't mind, and give us thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Just if you haven't, I invite you to our beautiful club, Girls Together. This Sola is a girl, actually. We love her so much. I found her in the street near my house, and now she's part of our life. And today we're doing French nails, so we're gonna have a few layers of this nude shade 5-in-1 gel, and then I'm gonna apply the white tip on the bottom, and I'm gonna use this plastic. I don't know if you have tried this. This is very soft, jelly kind of plastic, and I'm just pressing it into it and just correcting with a brush, correcting the edges the way you want it. You want more round, less round, you can do whatever you want. It's so easy and super fast. I absolutely love it. Like, you should definitely try it out. I always do French nails. It's so classy and looks really high maintenance nail, so I do recommend trying this out. I got this online. I'm sure you can find it. It's very easy to find, and a lot of things for manicure right there. And you see the nails. Like, if you like those nails, just give me a thumbs up and also comment below if you like them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and come back to me to watch more video tutorials. Thank you.